Good morning, children. This is Shashi here, and I welcome you all in the class of chemistry, which comes under your science subject. Okay, so we are going to study the chapter 4 sorting materials into groups, and 7 parts we have already done of this chapter. Okay, and I have given you the questions also related to every topic. Okay, so today we are going to discuss another topic, that is diffusion. We are going to discuss the diffusion. So first of all, what is diffusion? So diffusion is a natural process in which particles of different kinds of matter intermix with one another. Can you see here? Means one particle of one material intermix with another particle. Okay, so this is what your diffusion. So you can see here it is given. So you can see here, diffusion is a natural process in which particles of different kinds of matter intermix with one another to form a mixture of uniform composition. Okay, what does it mean? You can see here. Here one liquid is there. Okay, and in this another liquid is mixing. Can you see here? Okay, and it is getting mixed into another type of liquid. So this, it is intermixing with another liquid. So this is called as what? Diffusion. Okay, intermix with one another to form mixture of uniform composition. So it is mixing with another liquid and it is forming uniform composition. It will mix and its color will change. It will mix thoroughly into this whole liquid. It will mix. Okay, so if you'll put ink into the water, in this water if you'll put ink, what will happen? The whole ink will mix into the water and the color of the water will change. Got it? So this process is called as what? Diffusion, means mixing of one material into another material. Okay, completely. That is called as diffusion. And so many examples are there. Okay, like perfume vapors diffuse very fast. Perfume, if you spray perfume, okay, so it will spray very fast. Different example we'll see. There are different types of diffusion we are going to see. Okay, so first of all, diffusion you have understood, mixing of one material into another material to form uniform composition. Now come to the different types of diffusion. This experiment we'll do later. Come to examples of diffusion. This part is important. Okay, so example we'll see. First of all, we'll see the example. So what are those examples? A flowers kept in a room spread their pleasant smell in the room. It is an example of gas diffusion. Okay, a flower is kept in the room. What happens? In the room a flower is kept, then what happens? The whole flower, the smell of the flower spread in the whole room. Do you smell? If it is kept in one corner, then if you go to another corner, you can see that smell is coming of the flower. So how it is coming? So the gas which is coming out from the, means which is in the flower, it is spreading into the whole room. Okay, so this process is called as what? Gas diffusion we can say. Okay, so gas in the room, what is there? Air is there. Air is there. So and gas of the smell of the flower is diffusing. So this is called as what? Gas diffusion. Okay, now second type of diffusion. A drop of liquid perfume evaporates and makes a room sweet smelling. It is an example of gas diffusion. Okay, so this is example of gas diffusion. Can you see here? This one, just look at here. In the perfume bottle, what is there? Liquid is there. But if you press it here, can you see? He is pressing it here. So what's happening? this liquid is coming out. This liquid is coming out and it is mixing where? It is mixing into the air. So this liquid is mixing into the air and smell comes out, isn't it? So what kind of mixing is there? This liquid is this liquid from the perfume bottle, liquid from the perfume bottle coming out and mixing into the air. So this was liquid in the perfume bottle, it was liquid and it came outside and it mixed with the air, mixed with the air which was present in the surrounding. Okay, so what kind of diffusion is this? This is called as liquid gas diffusion. Okay, so this is the example of what? Liquid gas diffusion. So a drop of liquid perfume evaporates and makes the room sweet smelling. It is an example of liquid gas diffusion. Just now we have seen. Okay, now come to the third one. A drop of ink is mixed with water in a beaker. It spreads slowly throughout water. It is an example of liquid diffusion. Okay, so first one, what we have seen? Flower kept in a room, so smell of flower is spreading in the room, so gas diffusion. Then liquid perfume is mixing into the air, that is perfume was in liquid in the bottle and it was mixed into the air, so it was what kind of diffusion? It was the example of liquid gas diffusion. Okay, then the third one is ink is mixed with water in a beaker. It spreads slowly throughout water. It is an example of liquid diffusion. This example earlier also we have seen. Now I'll show you the liquid diffusion. Okay, liquid diffusion. Can you see here? This one. Look at here. This part. This was water was there. Okay. Then drop of water was ink was mixed. Okay, then slowly it kept on mixing. Okay, then you can see it is completely mixed into the water. Okay, so this is what kind of diffusion? This is called as liquid diffusion. Okay, so ink is a liquid, water is a liquid, so you can see finally it is mixed completely. Got it? Now come to the another one. What is the another one? Fourth, that is naphthalene balls. Naphthalene balls, you know, in Hindi we call it kapoor. It is kept into the cloth. Okay, or it is spread in the bathroom also, so that the bathroom will not smell bitterly, isn't it? Naphthalene ball, that is called as kapoor in Hindi you call it. So the naphthalene balls sublime in air and their smell spread into the room. This is a solid gas diffusion. This is a solid gas diffusion. Just look at here. Naphthalene ball, you must have seen naphthalene ball. All of you must have seen this naphthalene ball. Okay, kapoor we call it in Hindi. These are naphthalene balls. So if you keep it like this in the cloth, what will happen? After 6 months or 1 year, you will see there will be no naphthalene ball. So it mixed into the air. Okay, so this is solid and it is mixed into the air. So what kind of diffusion is this? This one is solid and it is mixed in air. Solid mixed in air. So this is called as what? Solid air. Air means gas, we can say. So solid gas diffusion. Okay, so this one is called as what? This is the example of solid gas diffusion. Got it? Now come to this part. Last one is potassium permanganate. Okay, what is the last one? Potassium permanganate. Okay, Small crystal of potassium permanganate placed gently in water in a beaker diffuse in water slowly. It is example of solid liquid diffusion. Okay, so solid liquid diffusion. So this one, crystal of potassium permanganate. So this is solid and it is mixed in water. It is mixed in what? It is mixed in water. Okay, so what happens? It is mixed in water, it completely dissolved in water, mixed with water. So crystal potassium permanganate, it is solid, and it is mixing in water. Water is what? Liquid. So solid is mixing in water. So solid liquid diffusion. This is the example of solid liquid diffusion. Okay, so how many types of diffusion we have seen? How many types of diffusion? One is gas diffusion. Example is flower. The smell of flower spreading in the room. This is the example of gas diffusion. Then second, liquid perfume. Liquid perfume is spreading in air, mixing in air. So this is liquid gas diffusion. Then third one is a drop of ink. Ink is what? Liquid only. And water is also liquid. So liquid diffusion. Then fourth one, naphthalene ball. Just now I have shown you naphthalene ball, that is kapoor. In Hindi we call it. It mix in air. So naphthalene ball is solid and it is mixing in air. Air means gas. So this is the example of what? This is the example of solid gas diffusion. Okay. Then the last one, crystal potassium permanganate. This is solid and it is mixing in water. So this is solid liquid diffusion. So how many types of diffusion we have seen? Five types of diffusion we have seen. Okay, so you can write all the types of diffusion. How many types of diffusion? 5 types. Got it? Okay, so once again you can see all the example. This one, liquid gas diffusion. This one, liquid diffusion. This one, solid gas diffusion. This one, solid liquid diffusion. Okay, so many examples we have seen. So diffusion you can write. Okay, what is diffusion? The definition you can write from here. Okay, then different types of diffusion you can write. Got it? Okay, so we'll meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.